This is mile 2. I took the train all the way from Marina to mile 2 train station, and now I'm taking the train from mile 2 all the way back.
I started using the train, I think, in September
Yeah.
last year, and down to today is still actually okay.
Okay.
The train is neat.
Hi guys. So today I'm reviewing the Blue Rail line in Lagos, Nigeria. The train station is actually at... Sorry, there's a lot going on. They're always fighting in Lagos. Look. In Lagos every day somebody's fighting. You can never leave your house without seeing people battling on the road or on the streets. Every single day. Every single day. So I'm on my way to the train station. I'm actually in my Uber at the moment, and we are approaching Lekki Phase 1 gate. It's Saturday, so there's no traffic, thankfully. As you can see, everyone is always complaining about Lagos traffic, but if you plan your movements like me, you won't get stuck in traffic. We can see today there's no traffic. The roads are clean and clear. So we're on our way to the Marina train station to take the train from there to mile 2. Okay, have you ever used train in Lagos before?
Not this person one.
Which one have you used? In the 90s. How was it then? It was different from this one now.
Yeah, different. I want to take it from Idumata, from Ido.
Ido?
Okay. Because I like Jora. To Mushi.
So this is the Lekki toll gate. In the past, to go through the toll gate, we had to pay, but ever since the NSARS issue happened and after the protests, it's now free to go through the toll gate. So yeah, that's the Lekki Phase 1 toll gate. And this is one of the popular hotels in Lagos. It's called Oriental. But have you even used any of these trains now, interstate?
I use
like this one. You're a big man, no?
I've had the experience of using train
and tram.
Yeah.
Can I show you my video?
Okay.
In the UK?
Yeah.
Oh yeah? The tram. Where did you live in the UK?
I live in Manchester.
In Manchester. So you used to use the train there?
Yeah, tram. Go to work, to Epis.
Oh, to Epis? Epis. Oh, I see. So can you compare the train that you used to use in the UK and the ones that we have in Nigeria? You can't compare. Have you even seen the ones we have here?
I've seen the one, the Nigerian trains that it look like their own tram then.
The shape. Like the train going to Abeokuta, for example, it's not bad now. It looks nice. So can you tell me about the train you used to use before in the past?
They call it locomotive.
Locomotive. Where did you used to take it from? From Ido.
When we close at Idumata, we trekked to Ido. We took the train to. We normally go to Agege, but I drop at Mushin. I live at Mushin then.
Mushin.
Yeah.
Can you remember how much you used to pay for the train ride?
Train ride? It's up to 100 naira.
It's not 200 naira. looks like we'll soon be arriving the train station. We're almost there. It's right there. So I'm not sure which way it is to go in, but we'll find out soon enough. Here? Okay, maybe it's there. Okay, it looks like I might have. Oh, this is the entrance. Oh, I guess this might be the car park then. Okay, guys, we've arrived. Yes, I just made it to the train station now. I just got to the train station. This is the entrance.
Franklin.
Guys, this is what the train station looks like. It's actually not very bad. It looks all right, and one train just left, so we are sort of waiting for the next train. I think the next train will be here shortly. Yeah, I just bought my Cowrie card. I actually like the name Cowrie. Yeah, I think that's a nice name. So I just got my Cowrie card, and I'm waiting for the train. I'm super excited to be trying this service actually, because it's been open for over a year now and I've never used it, so I'm excited to actually be testing it out today. Well, I'll let you know how it goes.
The next station is the National Theatre Station. Doors open on the right. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform while boarding or right at the station for bus service. All passengers must alight from the train at the Commuter station.
So this is mile 2. I took the train all the way from Marina to mile 2 train station, and now I'm taking the train from mile 2 all the way back. Welcome.
The next station is the Alaba station. Doors open on the left.
Hi, can you tell me your name, please?
Hi, my name is Eukaria.
Okay, hi, Eukaria.
I've been using it for over a year now.
Over a year.
I think right from the onset to this period, they have been trying.
They've been trying.
Absolutely, because I started using the train, I think in September
Yeah.
last year, and down to today, it's still actually okay.
Okay.
The train is neat,
Yeah.
except during evening periods around like rush hour.
Yeah.
That's when the train is usually so crowded.
Oh, I see.
And
There'll
you
be a lot of people, and some people will be standing, right?
you will stand, you will fight for your life.
Oh, I see. Is this the only train that you've used in Nigeria? The only train service?
No, no,
Which
no.
other one have you used?
I've used the train to Ogun State.
Oh, so which would you say is better in your opinion?
Though when I used the train from Ibutimeta to Ogun State, then
Yeah,
it was not as modernized.
as it
But
is now.
as it is now, but now I think you can compare both.
Oh, I see.
Just that this one is a very fast and
Train.
short trip.
Okay.
So that's why it's you say you are going to work and going back very fast.
Yeah. So
Like,
okay, go on.
as you can see, we beat the traffic already,
Yeah.
so that's just perfect. I think I'm okay with it because if you see, they are extending the service of the train down to Lasso and other places, Badagry, I guess. So,
Okay.
Igomu, yes. So
Thank
they
you
are
so
trying.
much. Thank you so much, Ike. Yeah,
You're
thank you. Have us
welcome.
go back to Marina train station, right? This is the last stop. Say bye, Ike.